InGens Velociraptors are small carnivorous theropods measuring 3 to 5 meters long and standing roughly as tall as a human adult. They only vaguely resemble their historically accurate counterparts thanks to InGen filling in the missing gaps in their DNA with that of amphibians, leading to them being much larger than true velociraptors and missing almost all of their plumage, as well as the ability to change from female to male thanks to the gene splicing, including the DNA of a species of West African frog. Females are usually the pack leaders, with males serving as subordinates. The females are duller in colour, with more earthy tones of grey, brown, green and beige, while males are usually more colourful with brighter shades of orange, blue and purple, and some having tiger stripes, while others have also been observed to possess quills and feathers. They are social animals and pack hunters and stay in small groups for both safety and for better results while hunting. Highly intelligent and capable of cheetah-like speed and possessing a razor-sharp sickle claw on each foot, they will coordinate with one another through vocalization and are even smarter than dolphins and primates. Raptors will use their intelligence to outsmart and ambush their prey, usually flanking them from the sides. They will attack by pouncing onto their prey and will slash and bite them until they can struggle no longer, and have even been known to eat their victims while they are still alive. Cloned by InGen to be used as an attraction in Jurassic Park, they proved to be more cunning and aggressive than anyone had anticipated, and with the alpha killing all but 2 others, they had to be moved from their enclosure to an isolation container. It was during this transfer where a park worker was killed by one of the raptors. During an act of sabotage by Dennis Nedry, a disgruntled employee, the raptors escaped and roamed the park free, killing Ray Arnold when he attempted to restore power, and later their own handler, Robert Muldoon. While chasing Tim and Lex through the kitchen, the kids managed to lock one of the raptors inside a freezer. Hunting the survivors and following them to the visitor centre, it looked like all hope was lost, but at the last second the park's T-Rex appeared and killed the last 2 remaining raptors and buying the survivors time to escape. Other encounters with raptors were recorded on Isla Sorna in 1997, where the pack of raptors killed off most of Roland Tembo's men when they entered their territory and pursued the remaining survivors to an InGen facility. In 2001, when a search party accompanied by Dr. Alan Grant, who was acting as a guide, entered an abandoned cloning lab and encroached on their territory, and when one member of the group, Billy, took 2 of their eggs from a nest to sell. In 2015, in the reimagined Jurassic Park attraction named Jurassic World, testing was being done on a group of 4 raptors, Blue, Delta, Echo and Charlie, to study their behaviour and to assess them for possible military applications. But they turned on their handlers and joined the Indominus Rex, but then realigned with Owen and fought the Indominus. In 2018, when an expedition returned to Isla Nublar to recover Jurassic World's dinosaurs under the guise of saving them from the soon-to-erupt Mount Sibo, but this was all a ruse to instead capture Blue and use her for cloning more weaponized dinosaurs and to sell the others off. After the dinosaurs were released from the Lockwood estate, Blue escaped into the wilderness and had an offspring. I think the raptors are a really cool dinosaur from Jurassic Park and Jurassic World because they're so smart, which made them even more dangerous than other dinosaurs that just use size and brute force. I have to say though, I much prefer the raptors when they are portrayed as the baddies like in the first 2 films, rather than being goodies or just misunderstood like in JP3 and the Jurassic World films. I'd probably say my favourite depiction of the raptors is actually from the books by Michael Crichton. I've read both of them and they are a lot darker and more violent and gory than the movies are. I'd like to see the other media give the books some love too, as I think an 18 rated movie or TV series or something like that with some body horror could have a lot of potential. So I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did and you want me to make more like it, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe and leave me a comment letting me know what you thought about the raptors and whether you prefer them from the movies or from the books. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.
Okay, we got you on our scope. Just keep moving.
Where are they?
It's doing fine. Look, you've only got 30 meters to go.
I can hear them behind me!
Don't panic. I'm having trouble picking up.
Where are they?
Help right now.
Oh no!